Hey everybody, I'm back at King's Dominion for another video update. This weekend is the start of Grand Carnival. I'm not coming for that this weekend, but I will be back Monday. As far as the construction site goes, it's pretty quiet down here today. We had a lot of rain last night and this morning, so things are kind of stopped right now. Hopefully on Monday we'll see some more supports or a piece of track put in. Right now it looks like they've cleaned up for the weekend. And that's all that's going on down here. But I am going to take you out in the parking lot and show you the staging area now. Every piece of track and support has a big number written on the end. Things are pretty much laid out in order as well. I'm going to drive around and show you that. I'm going to stop and get some video of the support pieces that came in this week. I'll be back on Monday. If nothing changes, I won't put a video, but I have a feeling we'll see some work Monday. As long as the weather cooperates. We're getting a lot more rain tonight, so it's going to be wet down here and in the construction area. Thanks for watching this week, everybody. I hope you have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next time.